È un piacere per noi estar aquí presente, esta è final di evento non classificatorio di lo che è denominato Truescore event. ¿Ya? Habemos varios otros atletas de alguna representación de país que también participan en el clasificatorio y que han habido remarca para aquí. Para nosotros es un placer, nos tiene representantes de Truescore que aquí improve alguna otra cosa en el sistema electrónico que con pero seguro para nosotros es un placer y un honor de tener evento aquí tomando lugar. Es aquí un evento que está organizado para Brasil Taekwondo Stacking.
This is very nostalgic, but having been here before, I remember great things about Aruba, and to see how much it's grown and progressed is very heartwarming and very good to see. And to be here for another Taekwondo event is even better because that means the sport is still progressing on this island.
All of the equipments have two sensors. You have impact sensors and you have what we call proximity sensors. It takes two. Impact sensor measures how fast or how hard you're getting hit. Proximity will differentiate between what I consider non-illegal contact versus a real contact. As you know, Taekwondo is all about kicking. You have to be able to differentiate between a valid kicking technique versus knee, elbow, headbutting, shoulders. All those generates impact, but you have to be able to separate that out. And that's where the proximity comes in.
Mr. Bruce, you have thank words for everyone bringing you here also on the island.
Yes, and especially to Mr. Alberto Klauber. He's been working extremely hard, not just this year, but over the years. I've noticed his work ethic, and he is astounding. And I definitely want to thank him and say that I appreciate all the efforts that he's done to get us here and to treat us royally. Big kudos to him.
Quiere año aquí un año basta fructífero, nos logra una medalla centroamericano y nos logra algún otro resultado en panamericano que está importante para nosotros. Quiere dirección que nos está yendo está correcto y está dirección de trabajo, el resultado de hopi trabajo, so que hopi más personas han envolvido en el full proyecto aquí y quiere para el próximo año nos tiene reto un más grande y que nos está ahí también.